Today, the CTS gets its first official mod. So to right here, we have a Volant cold air intake system for it. Originally made for the 04-06 model, but let's just say it's the same engine, it should still fit. So as proven on the forums and on a dyno tune, not even on a dyno tune. So this reportedly gave somebody with a 05 CTS 3.6 additional 13 wheel horsepower. So on this, we should be seeing a gain from 220 to 233, which if you ask me for less than $300, that is a great mod to have. So now we can actually get, sound of the stock air engine.
It's a little early to move up on this. You can do one, and that's it. It's too early.
This is the old intake resonator right here. Basically, as you can tell, if you were to look in here, I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you guys very well, but that's a lot of room for, air to just chill in there. Not very good. Here's the mass airflow sensor. So, kind of cut out a little bit of that little fins in there. Probably not the smartest idea, but we did it.
Made it sound different.
Just slightly different, but. And, ooh, dear God, look at this. This is huge compared to, this is actually huge compared to what the cold air intake setup is. And yes, the filter is dirty.
I told you it was dirty. That's why it was throwing that code.
I don't know, maybe. But look how dirty the box is.
Clean on this side.
Look how dirty this is. That's probably from when I hit that sand and decided to treat the car like a rally car for a day. That was fun. So, yeah, this is filthy, so I'm probably gonna clean that up real quick. Now that we clean that, it is time for the Volant to go in. So, might I just add, this is a huge ass cone filter, and it comes pre-oiled from Volant. So, thankfully, we don't have to worry about anything crazy when it comes to this.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Do it again.
I just lit up the rear.
I know.
Holy crap. This really woke the car up.